In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to sell cars in the Crew 2 PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 or PC, and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, a big point of the Crew 2 is collecting cars and adding them to your garage. By the end of the game, or after you play for a bunch of hours, you will have a giant list of cars, and you might want to get rid of some of them, either because you made an incorrect purchase by accident, maybe you regret a car that you purchased, or you are simply gifted too many cars and you don't want to see all of the cars that you don't use in your garage. Well, even if you browse through all of the menus, you try to choose a specific one, you go over to the upgrade screen, or you browse through the settings of the game, you will not be able to find anything related to selling or returning cars in the Crew 2. So as it stands today, is this something else? Do you have to go over to a different menu to receive the credits after you refund a car, or is it not available at all? Well, for whatever reason, probably because of the fact that the game is really focused on collecting vehicles, the refund feature was never added into the game. So as it stands today, selling cars in the Crew 2 is impossible. This is going to be true for every single platform. There isn't a feature that allows you to sell cars, so as it stands today, after you acquire a car, either because you purchased it using credits or because you were gifted one by simply playing, you will not be able to sell it. After it is added to your garage, it is going to be yours forever on this infinite list of cars that you can have available. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of the Crew 2 and how in this game, selling vehicles is not an option. Like I said, Ubisoft probably assumed that because it was a collection game, most players wouldn't mind just having this extensive list of cars, but a lot of people have requested the option to sell, either because they regret purchasing a car or they don't want to see specific ones in their garage. But as it stands today, it is indeed impossible. If this video answered any questions that you had on how to sell cars in the Crew 2, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 and PC, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!